we participated in two BoostUp competitions, BoostUp and BoostUp Bridge. The former provided us with an opportunity to showcase our solution to a jury of corporates, investors, and governmental bodies. The latter saw us pitch our solution to a specific corporate need. Both were excellent opportunities to interact with key players across Europe, get valuable feedback, test our messaging with a broader audience, and of course, generate new business opportunities.
Participating to the BoostUp call grand finale in Athens last year was a great opportunity for us, and it was great to have such an international visibility and to build a great network.
In 2021, we had the honor of winning the BoostUp competition. This gave us the opportunity to do a pilot project with voestalpine high performance metals, where our mission was to support them with upstream CO2 data collection. And you might say our pilot project was a success. In fact, we are thrilled to share that we've recently received approval for scaling up the project.
It's a great chance to learn about the challenges that companies have, really face-to-face, live, and to think about how your solution fits to the problem of the industry. And vice versa, it is also a great chance for industrial companies to see what solutions are out there and to find new technological partners to boost their competitiveness and to innovate and to improve.
Thanks to BoostUp, we gain access to mentoring and to the network of business development experts, investors, other startups, and most importantly, representatives from industry.
What I recommend for people integrating the BoostUp program, first of all, be proud of yourself. You have fantastic tools, you have made fantastic achievements, be proud of that. And then also be proud to show that to the industrial community.
I highly recommend the BoostUp programs to any industrial tech startup that wants to gain greater exposure across Europe, interact with key industrial players, and of course, generate new business opportunities.
Overall, I mean, like always, it is fun to work with the EIT team and all the processes around the competition. So I can just recommend to participate.
I would recommend other teams to understand well what they need and ask directly for support with these topics.
We would really like to wish the best of luck to those who are participating this year. And we want to tell you to always believe in your project, in your startup, in your company, because no matter how hard the challenges will be, there will always be a lot of satisfaction in the end.
EIT Manufacturing will provide you with comfortable audience and people who will try to take care of you to make the most of what you have already achieved. So be the best, be proud, and it will be a success.